We're Jackson and Rami, two 9-to-5 guys from America on a month-long backpacking trip through Italy. Globetrotting isn't our full-time thing, but we're set on traveling with intention. We're not exactly nomads. In this video, we escape the overcrowded tourist spots of Milan and set off on our own adventure at beautiful Lake Como. We explore elaborate cemeteries, wander through sleepy fishing villages, and even try hitchhiking through lesser explored neighborhoods.
Holy shit.
That's insane, man. That's fucking ridiculous. Look at this. Look how many of these suitcases. Think of like 2 suitcases each. None of them are like tourists, man. They also.
I mean, that's us, too. But...
I mean, yeah, but no. Hey. You're travelers.
We're travelers.
We're travelers, not visitors.
Sprinkling, all rain jacketed, protected up. I really didn't want to bring this rain jacket, but now I'm like, you know what?
It's worth it.
Well, I also used it as a towel too, and now I'm actually wearing it, so it was worth it. Magnificent views.
They're making it work.
We're next. Every direction you look is just stunning. And we made it to Menaggio. I think that's our hostel right there. Yellow building. Look at this Lake Como room right here. It's a pretty good view. Rami was mad that there was only one bed. I thought it was a 2-bed as well.
Jackson's just pulling tricks on me, I know it.
This one has a pretty formal list of yays and nays.
No food or alcohol, no smoking, no stealing, no noise after 11:30, and no sex in dorms, whether solo or with a friend.
You can't pull your own rope here, or have somebody else pull it for you.
Luckily, we're not in the dorms.
All right, one little nap and some tiramisu later. We're out for a little adventure. I'll never get over the charm of the size of most of these cars in Italy. Look at this swagged out little toaster. I would definitely do donuts in this thing.
Oh, 100%.
Another graveyard sesh. I have to say this has to be one of the most scenic graveyards I've ever seen in my life. So some of these have like crazy statues of Jesus.
Well, Italians are like super religious, right?
Mm-hmm.
So like statues like Jesus, something like that, it's like not uncommon. Of
Oh, yeah, no
angels or Jesus like on the cross or something like that. I think it's part of religion. Look at this one. This is big right here. I think he was a soldier.
I think there's a statue of this woman built over her grave. I've never seen that before. I think we just scouted a vibe spot down here.
That's a smoke sesh right there. Sit down.
Rami so badly wants to smoke some weed right now. Look at that though.
Dude, they have a little bench area. Yo! This shit is barely on.
That is majestic. I could see you as a fisherman.
Or this can also act nicely as a smoke sesh.
More importantly. So weird.
But this is private property, so I don't want to enter.
Why is their engine just hanging right here?
And they're the ones who probably come and fish here all the time.
Oh, look at that. Dude, that is beautiful. Just vibing on my little fishing spot. Enjoying a view of the lake. Just living in this moment, you know? Super beautiful out. It's getting a little dark. I'm hearing some thunder in the distance. I think it's probably time for us to move on. This neighborhood's beautiful.
It's a cool city.
Learning about the legends of this town. A lot of history.
A lot of history. Beautiful town.
Look how blue it is on camera.
It's a really good color.
This stair set feels just very European. Getting to our bus stop. Really hoping there's another bus that comes. We are quite far from where we're staying. So the last bus comes in about an hour.
Hopefully,
if it does
if it
come.
comes.
Yeah, if it does come. Rami is convinced we're gonna hitchhike.
I kind of want to hitchhike.
All right, there he goes. Dude, don't get hit. Jesus. Don't get hit. Oh my God.
I want to get hit. I don't think people are willing to stop for me. I'm not pretty enough. I think you should be the one hitchhiking. You have the long hair. I think you're a girl. They'll stop for you and then you're like...
This is two dudes and they just jet out of here. This is a tough spot because it's right before this bridge right here on a pretty fast road.
Get your pose on. Oh. I thought the hair would help, but it's not. Maybe take off the shirt.
Audi's going fast.
Tough break, tough break.
All right, we've been out here for 40-ish minutes. No luck.
No luck.
Waiting.
We'll see. I mean, look at us. We're nice people.
You wouldn't pick this guy up?
Who would have picked this
God.
us? Look, come on.
It's 8:52 when the bus was scheduled to come.
I hear
Is that it?
something that sounds like a bus.
Ho ho!
Oh, yes.
There we go. After you, sir. Only people on the bus.
Hitchhiking in Italy is a failure.
Well, I'd be down to try again.
Down straight.
Try again when it's not at night or in front of a really fast tunnel. That's it.
Grazie. Ciao.
All right, back at the hostel. It's dinner time. The night view from our bed. All right, guys, we're gonna sign off for the night, and we got more of Lake Como to explore for tomorrow. So,
Peace out.